department. But as we continue to engage them and the need arises, we can suggest or recommend to them, whether with a social worker or with a psychologist, because this is not easy.
In the way the deputy health na chese achechi mu no support o de be ma ne honsem no psychological support ne counseling na omo de be ma omo no mame ma MC asebu akwaba mame ema na kwaba na fi ba dompe ba kase ba u chepe ba u pa ba u body no a sugar no a osura kodifa na wase susu akwa kodifa no wotene wabra wonfa se kanka oba no onye operation de mo wode haban so hu ene dubra ne betene body ne simple kra abro so a nansa na asa akomsi na kan factory setting no ere ma MC ma chen
mejo so boga
na ho ye
adom ne yare
mo na tie duro ho be yare aseto a
na wo yare na nkwa na je se bo aduru nya
mo
dro die
mo
de mufu a
mo mamintie wa no pe ye
ade mufu anso ana je se no ano
ba ko pe osan ho a
dabi ni okutwa adwawado
mamintie wa
nyankopon onkoso no nhira mo adwuma pa mo ye
amen
adopai ye de nchia kase ebe free Dr. Ba aso ye e de ama yahwefo ene atiefo enyina dani da nyina se nyankopon eya adom na wode adom se edom ye nia ye betenase a na enipadua bo pomuden ho asem ane ye ba beka kire wo hyene nso se Dr. Ba ewe nipa yade bia na yade wo nipa dasani bia ye frɛ ne se ye yade bia no obo moden ede wani kire Dr. Ba ye hwew ema ne ko nanso de edimo akotene titu de ye bo hu dawura ye ka ema nipa bebre ebre wo mu no mbaba benya ho ayie ntam eye nipa wo dompe ene o kase hwecha ne so se ye ka dompe ana ye ka kasa odasani bia o asase su bia wo kase ni dompe ewo nipadua wo mu de woni kase no onye nipa da bi enu ntina Dr. Ba se esan se wo nyini ko animu a wo dompe ne de nyankopon de ye ne ebehya ase arere ni nti esan ye nua ne ye di nti enu nti no no so aba se first ye ka so obi dompe ho aka na chese wosama no ne yekoye no operation ne yekofa dade bi ede ka nipadua ne dompe ho nyame amoni pasa se ye sha ase de dade bi ka wo dompe ho a wo be sofa wo be bre de enti abebre ne se dade nka nipa ho enti abre de dade be ka nipa ho no na nipa wo sesa afri sa tebia na nyankopɔ de bo wo no no abatebia fofrom enu nti na abeko nipa bebre yakoye mo operation ma dade ehwo mu nipadua mu eye yawo ne brabon ko a no mo te eno betie no oka Dr. Ba mesi mi prayo ye de dade ehwem na nso medamina ensuo tutu ekura de se de nipa efran ne omuhunu amane no eya asem na nso de dade nya kohwem wi a ade ebetimi de aboansa gye so oba ne yam waduro base ye kofa haban ne de dade ehwem enu ti na Dr. Ba se ye modewro nkanche wo na anopa mi ne udi nkomo se fa ye number no na fe frɛ ye eye 0244
0244
988 004
0244 988 004
and it was 0244
and 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82
number way ana Dr. Ba ye didi juma ewe aso ye ho wa wo hwe TV na television ne de numbers ne ya miensa wo betimi afre bia wo hwe Dr. Ba ye wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo Aban hospital bi si Atonsu Agogo ho wo gira na nim se kim busani pa bibra bia ho se wo hwe Dr. Ba esan ye nyuma penti won be so wonsa e de wa ba ye ho afa wudu nkran so nkran ye was Pinterest Road 18 junction ho wo de utru junction ho a busa wo bia wo ho se me hwe Dr. Ba o je be kire ame waba ame ahwe anopa na me ni wudi nkomo ne ye ka onse ye ka dompe ne ye ka kasa ye se ye wo nipa bia mo bia wo dompe ne kase ana first ne sanka e wo se wo nyini ko 60 50 60 no ekɔ na nim afa na wo dompe na hye ase na erere na erere na erere enso esa nnuane bi a edididi ene nneoma bi a ye nipadua ni nti ene ama se wo 20 years ekura 50 na o complaini na mi kotodwe ya me ya ana ma aposo ya me ya ana me nante ni nyina kye se wo ma yade bi anya kwan akowuram na mra yade ni bewuram nso hyane nso se ba bia dompe ne kasa bi akohia bia nyankopon ye nneoma bi toto animu a se de be ya dompe ni mienu enhya ase enka enu nti na se wo dompe hya ase se erere a ye kaso obi dompe kwa beda animu ni kotodwa kwa bedam anasa erere a eye gregre na da dompe ni mienu anim eno na yade koka no ema no rere enu nti se ehya ase se rere a na hya ase de yaw ebre nipadua no enti se ya wa aposo a na fe etutu eye wa beti a ushoda na no so etutu afa eye okotodwa na tutu afa eye ona aposo a na no so tutu enti wo ba hu obi ene nso to ye awoba ye obeti obi o se na menyale o enso esi de me na tie wa na aka wo me na ye me ya me de me nsa me pagya me nsa kura na tutu me hwehwe ne nso se yade na wo mu kakra na esan se edisa wada no awo no ne deba ne nti enu ti na wahye ase wote no na se wa amomoden na yi na wono ama Dr. Ba ho me anhwe wo ampa duro mfa anka wa ube hu se becha no na fe ukotodwe na ye o yan kakra na jinsamu ajinsamu ade etie nie ebehya ase mo Philippines pa e wo kotodwe mu ubeti yaw pa ano ohye a chese wo ye ho hwe enyeye afe ebefra sane abeso wo sere no na afe wo sere na hya ase na ye oya na afe afra beso ohibon no etu ube hu so obi ani kotodwe ye ne ya wo mpamu a wode totonura emo no mani kotodwe ne nko no ube hu sa afe die obeti ose meto asintini nyina twetweme afe die mesere ne mu nyina ye me ya bi kotodwe ne nti afe die mu aye dududu ahonhono me ntimi nyame ho hwe me nante na afe wakafom eno na wuti anye ya obehu sa wonam a na wo kotodwe ne isu kekra sebi ase ka enam kwanbɔ ne so ubehu so obi kotodwe no ne na ne timi si wetimi to no sei no oya akote ahwe ni nyina kye se wo kase no yade na tete no amade wo se yeyiri mu makase no enya ahode ni nyina asei afo obehu so obi wo a obehu no ya wo no na sebe onya ananta enso enam ni kotodwe ya ne yenti akokko ne na nakɔbɔ baakum etu onam ana ne na baako na ko wabedane ananta sebe force obi nso de agye ne ho abedane bolege ne na baako eno na se wan weni ya edidi mu abahu se kotodwe na start baako ekɔ nanim na afe abefra ni nua na sebe ono nso ka ne ho no na afe onan ni nyina akɔ keka bom na afe wonam ana afe enyeye na okeka bom kukuro saa na afe wodi akadem enu nti na da ubo kɔso se obi a wo ha ubia woni nipadua ni nim ana ni kotodwe ni mu no onfamra Dr. Ba ho na wo ba esense nyankopon de saa adom akyede na adom Dr. Ba a obi ni bi wo kroma a obi forso aso oye bia na asa agyensamu a wasa akyere no Dr. Ba ho no ye wa haban na haban no enua bi na ya duro na wonom akɔ mu na ya de noa bi nso ato nipadua no so kotodwe no so ama abani wura mu ne ko wura kotodwe na afa ekosiesie di aseye hawo ne amane ye yade na akopam no fize kroma ye kan doctor asabe o arthritis ho aduro wo sasabro rheumatism ho aduro wuyi Dr. Ba free we nyeye fise yan ane wo sa no ma no ane nipa no mo sa hawo ni nyina bi bedi adanse a kyewo se emra wo mu chinchini ya breye no mo de wo yade no ebedan Dr. Ba enne ni kotodwa na agina boso akadem ama na dwuma kro ntimi nko obi afuo mu kra wontimi nko biem ontimi nko nwura mu biem ama ne noba ye nyina nwura age afa ukobusa na eye ni kotodwe enya so onko pa baabi nko enya so onko hospital baba bi a wo ko bia na omu ni hu aduro enu nti na na no pa ka che wo se empanifo so omo keka funa ye keka madampan bade ye keka yeresam a yeresa ani die wo kotodwe mu a ye sa na yade am anante ntem a ne ye keka ni nyina ma chamfo ba enyarewa nyina bedwane fi se yen na haban kasa yen yete na bebuom enti obi ote abebuo haban abebuom die so okasta wo se odi haban besa wo yade amana kwa yen yi na chini enti ne anopai wa ukotodwo yo ya no ye ka che wo se fabra Dr. Ba ho obi die na chika se ebremu no de bia me ka che wo se woda no se wa mpa matrese papa bia na na de wo hia ne aho kira e de yade foforo brew fisa o matters na emra amim komu a wodamu saa no na ese wachi no na emma wachi no ohaw ne amane ebam spinal cord no so Nyankopon ye se emo nipa no na timitinu mu timigira wo fa beche a eyi wachi kasa na bema na che nti na obeti obi si misisi ache a spinal cord no ba kumienu bi wase wa link to sisi no ase ho eno so wo ye na ho ka afi obehu se nipadua wa balance wachim eno ne yese se wachi kasa na me na wa sugar ana wachimu a wo ba ne de ahaban ne ateno fi se yen ye kase ye tene nipa ye nim kwan ya fa so a ye betene wo ama ebia ohaw ne ba wo so no ama wache no na afi watene enti na ebia wachi kasa no eye wo ya etutu awoba yei ukoda wona woda mpapapa so ezuese sempa boni bi a woda asumire bi atwam nti akofa yade e de abra wachi kase no ye ka chi kase ka spinal cord ne ye ka dompe wo nipa wachi a na ye nkwanhia na de bre wo anasa yade bi na de aba ba bi a obeba me yade ahaba to so no eye chamfo ba nyare wanyina ebedwane wo etu obi oha ewo na chi kase no omra Dr. Ba afa obi oha ne de no ni kase ni dompe ne mu abuo bramien fa haban to so na fa nya ofa hodie na no pay diabetes fo ntien yi ye kan sikiri yade a yade bi a no ohye nipa wo sugar no wo se wo nipa duanum na mra sugar ne beboro so no na kofa nsem beberebere wo na dia na ma ne boro so ye nua no na ye die no enti se wa hwe ni ya ma magya kwankyra magya bibidro a me antrento ma sugar na ameda ya tie dia de bebere wo ebetimi am wani afira ebetimi am yatwa wo nan ebetimi am wadwon so bebere ekuro pa betimi atu enguda enu nti yade ba kutimi kofa yade ba edu de bere ni padua na chese ni kwanse wuje ho akini eti Dr. Ba de bibidro bi aba wo sugar na huri kosoro sadian saa dro no betimi akoni padua num ama na beda ba bi a eda enti wo ma me wo papa bi e wa siche yade ana diabetes a eye Dr. Ba hwe etwere yade ye nim kwase yade papa ena twere yade enti obi ntimi mfa ne ba kura ni nachi esa so de ne kwa badwa mu asesi ano akote ahwe na fei ehuro abetua na no wo ne nan anim kwase yade na nso Dr. Ba se sɛdeɛ Nyankopɔn de saa adom akyɛdeɛ na adom no nti ɔwɔ ahaban a yɛde aba wo ba no watwam fie bebreni a wonua no watwam fie bebreni wo maame watwa wo de ne ba Dr. Ba ho a enhyiran kasa fo awurade a ɔde aduban ani nuban ɛma Dr. Ba no enubra ne nkonyini ne haban ne ma Dr. Ba no ɔde bɛka no amo no nso ho atɔ no afei adwirimu haw ɛdambɔ ɛno nso yɛ Dr. Ba kroma obi abɔdam a ɛyɛ obi na ayɛ no ɛnso adwirimu haw no nso yɛ yadeɛ etu tetra wo se obi na ayɛ no akɔdwe obi mo bɛgya na agye nsɛm afei no ati free na afei one na mo abɔnten Dr. Ba se adwirimu haw ɛyɛ yadeɛ wo ba yɛ wa bibidure de bɛma wo ɛnɛ Monday ya ye kodi atwumakɔ wo twa na obi buafu wo kɔka ɛde ne ha na ɔsa yamukuro tetini ntwemani ntimi ne di yadeɛ baako wo meya buoi wa meya buoi aduane tɔ yam awuwu aduane antɔ yam so awuwu ɛyɛ yadepɔne bra Dr. Ba ho ne mfa bosome baako pɛ enhwew ema osa yamkuro no emfiri wo so enti na no pai enkoma ye die nyina ne se ye de mre na ye adwuma tv ne ye ntimi ntena so enkopem se ade besa enu nti ne atwotwo numbers egu ho sefa numbers no na wo yade a ya modi no frɛ yen ne encheche wo cheche mu ne enso ema wo mra na fe wo yade bi e wo nipadua no mbra beje ho aduro number no eye 0244 988 004
0244 988 004
and it was 0244
and a 0244 08 34 82
me pacha wo re Dr. Ba ye wo Kumasi atonso ago aban hospital no nachi hwe anopai Dr. Ba na wo Kumasi atonso ago benini mompunumpu na beka o yade e kire no afa enkran so ye was Painters Road 18 Junction ho wuduru onso abusa bia se wo re Dr. Ba e chamfo ba nyare wanyina bedwane ena anopai se wugidi na do sasabro ene wo tutu beba Dr. Ba ho dia ene aniji a woni befiri wakọ no eya ba
yada se anopai ba ena ye ko ne nche ba dompe ba kase ba uchepe ba wa sugar obetene wo ne ho nkomo ene ye kokodi ye no ebusanfo onanye ntintia ho na dompe no obetene no ede amount afe mame Emma Tabita soso akwaba na yeni enkomo ano de oh mate otrasia me ye free mama ate na hoye ye de Awurade ase Awurade adom me so me hoye na no pede na ade bremie
me din chair free Tabita clinic edema yetiefo ene yahwefo nyina wo Tabita clinic ye chi akwan aye wo ahodo da ban Cindy's Junction e wo Kumase okwa Accra ye wo Medina Fire Food Bridge ase wo okọ Sunyani aye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction okọ Takrade aye wo Airport Road opposite Police Quarters eho ena obehu Tabita clinic edwumadi etichi pa ye di any prostate na ye infected aye cancerous aye enlarged o de ba Tabita clinic e be shama any diabetes or diabetes no ne kwa kodu bia pempen so ekwa kodu bia o de ba Tabita clinic e be shama ye hwe yare bi tisa hypertension ye hwe stroke asthma ulcer what the ba Tabita clinic e be infections bia aba oni pedwem what the ba Tabita clinic e be mo o pay your number say ye didi ye dwumedi 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12
Upe se wo freya obetimi afreya ahomatofo na ya boboso nde anope ye kasa ye de bra na se nchecha ye de bra no ya fre no se waist pain ene infireban kwan ye fa so ema waist pain no eden eba eno ene nchecha nde anope Tabita clinic ye de bra ye tiefo ene ya hwefo nyina Tayeka se waist pain na se wusisi mu aiden yawa ewo mu na kwan ben so na enya saa sisi mu yare ana se waist pain no empempi no ya yeta ye dwumaden no oso obi oho opeja nyoma position no so ogina no di peja enyoma no ongina saa position enfam peja nyoma ya yes spinal cord ne ho atochima ebo spinal cord no en tumor abem ye ka tumor na se ahono kakra etimi ema usisi no ya weden ebemu ena ye wo disc bi wo ho a support ye spinal cord no se saa disc no se block ebe manase eye blockage a etimi ema usisi ne ede eye oya ena ya ye fa yefu no so se fa yefu na de weight no nya ejina yesisi no ema yesisi ede eta eye ya ena ya ye wo kidney stones yare no so etimi ma yesisi eye ya ena ye so ayetimi nya accident na cause ye vertebral column no eno so timi eka yesisi ema yesisi ede etimi eye ya ena age wise so etimi ka ho ya ye nyi na edu be 50 and above no eno so etimi cause ema yesisi etimi ya pempi yetna baby fa akoche ye nya exercise ye nya hwe no eno so etimi cause ema yesisi ede etimi eye ya enti se niama keken na se wo saa how we be what the beda in Tabita clinic ye betimi asho ema wo ho ato so wo Tabita clinic ye chi akwan ye wo ahodo da ban Cindy's Junction ukọ Accra ye wo Medina Fire Food Bridge ase wo ena ukọ Takrade so ye wo Airport Road opposite Police Quarters ukọ Sunyani ye wo ahodo da ye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction upe ye number say ye didi ye dwumedi 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78
12
enas uba Tabita clinic so a yedwumedi a yedi na senya mesia abobo no bi say prostate no senya me hu se menya prostate enlargement and say cancer prostate no eba mbe ma no so pempi no so wo ko o jonso wo chim ansa na jonso na iden aba ena edura na jonso wo jonso ntentem ena se wo diabetes so bi say that menya diabetes me den ne hu on sabetimi aititi wona betimi aititi wo jonso ntentem ena wo so eden etimeti to hu sansunsu na se diabetes na eden ebo kokko na wo yo bia wa hypertension ebia wa koye we treat hypertension ne nko impempi no woni so eye okusukusu wo de ba ye be show na infection si bia aba oni pedem say ye white say ye odepo say ye gonorrhea say ye syphilis wo de bata beta clinic ye be show na wo hepatitis B wo de bata beta clinic no so ye be show na wo ulcer ni pempem ma oboso ede ehihye wo ye funsu ye ebi de duane to ne yema na ema ne yema ede eye ne ebi so ho a ekom de na ema oti se eya wede ewo ne yefunu wo de bata beta clinic ye be show wo peta beta clinic e cha kwan ye wo ahojo da ban Cindy's Junction ewo Kumase wo kwa akra ye wo Medina Fire Food Bridge aseo na wo kwa Suana ye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction wo kwa Takrade ye wo Airport Road opposite police quarters o pay numbers ye didi edwumedi e bia ya mbobo wo yare no so ba wo fra ye numbers na ye beje wo so na ya show ewo kwan e be fa so a ye betimi etreat o ye numbers ye didi dwuma 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12 me science su biom 0530 38 78 12 and now no pe wa wutie ya mbo wo yare so ebi so ya bo yare so wo frɛ ye number na baby a wo bia ye beje wo so na ya cha kwan a wo befa so aiden wa ba ya so ye ho ye wo dwumedi so nkra eda ye nim e wo Kumasi ya eye next week Thursday ne Friday ye free screening e wo ya so ye ho Saban Cindy's Junction hono card ni 30 cedis ye betwa prostate wo ba so ye betwa wa wo de na ya check o sugar no so aiden amo first time na beba na ye be ma edro free nti wa wo tie ye a wo Kumasi fa na ina no from next week going Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday Oba new Oba Cindy's Junction ahojo a ye be show first time never ban ye be ma we draw free na utia 30 just 30 cedis pe for card no na ye yes free screen no e dey amount so wo pese wo free ya wo betimi afrɛ wo 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12 me da metiefo ene mahwefo nyina ase
yes we da se enti tabita na yete o monka no ko na de how bia yenhwe enka ho asem emfa emawo Yaw toothpaste and ne brushes no so ye de twiese sort ase Yaw toothpaste ne brushes no ye de twiese anopai ope eye toothpaste ya wo de twiuse no abema osena pai fita ama osena hoden na ate wanum am watimi adidie ate aduane ne da Yaw toothpaste ne brushes ne ye ka ho asem de ya kire wo abusua ye wo brush na de ano oden wo ho ene ye wo de ano mre ene ye wo so honkwala de ene ye wo mpanimfo de ene ye wo mpanimfo mu ko manim pa so mo de wo honom enya na odwa so be bia tonton niema provision store ne ade o se Yaw toothpaste and brushes ne bi ena wo ba no aba beje kama pa Dwabirura bank so ye ne omu didwa no maboa yen apagya yen yesikasam yedwumasam am ye business no SCP sita Dwabirura bank se men kan kyo se wo mo ahotoso pa fixed deposit nhye wo ho ene se ebia wo be 10,000 bi da baby wo be 20,000 bi da baby wo 30,000 40,000 50,000 ene hodomo ekro no eda wo savings account mu yenhye da ma wo interest papa bia wo ho ene da ho sa na bosumi bia ni wiki bia ya tetetetew ye send o message ya te 5 cedis ya te 10 cedis ya te 20 cedis wa bra osusu sika no chese unkomu o yenye ye chese bank ne ma hwe Dwabirura bank se sika no a eda wo savings account mu a wo de wo se eda ho no mu no fabra na ene ye be yenhye be fixed deposit so the says can ba ye no transfer bia wo say ope insi hu interest be 10%, yesi there be yebetimi be 8 and I be also per 20%, yesi there be yebetimi be 18 ni anu we dia no so hu sika ne da ho abibia wo yan sika ne bia so no oba yebeta mo ade dia ma bosumi bia so no insi hu a wose yede tu sika no ho bia so no ebeba amwanya text message wo phone so edi hu adanse se peking crown sika ne dem insi hu ne nyina so eba anu ne ye frɛ no ahotoso pa fixed deposit account eno eye dwabewura bank nhyehyɛ ene wo obatampa loan scheme anase obapa loan scheme no eye se ahyase udidwa so kakra ya bodua masom teburu so ene kakra na ye no omo se omo ji obia so we sikani so ye hieni afi na wo sha brabo ase e na wo pegye tiri kura de sha brabo na se a omo se bra na ne omo bedi nkomo wo ye adwuma eni abosome so a wo je wakatu afa bank a wo de ene dwabewura bank me hyehyeye oba no ye bie school oba no so hu uhia kakra sema ba fie uhia kakra na de akwa kotiti ba bia ekeka wo no a dwabewura bank ye hyehyeye de ama obi bia ye usika da dwabewura bank ya yentete usi woti na banti bia yate 5 series yate 2 series yate 10 series dabi dwabewura bank yenye saade no yesebra na yemwa say ye small medium enterprises no bibia dwade ene adwuma wakra o niema bi na ohia sika de akwa clear port ni nyina dwabewura bank de hu dwuma ede ama ye obonre ye wo edwoso ye odwaben ye watimatim ye wo onwe ye Roman Hill magazine sepetim pomu fumesha adehyeman eho nyina ye branches ho fra yen 02714093 0271409340 and 0208521668 0208521668 nani dwabewura bank eni enkomo aha so hu ena Codes Healthcare Limited ye de afidie bia ba kane na ye maame nom ne ye mere wa omuofie ni yesoma nkwada no ekofra antenese bremi anope wo ma check me pressure mame ko antenese mame nti antenese ma ya ne pressure diabetes ni ho ahwan ye ntimi ncheke eno ena Codes Healthcare Limited for adwene ho a wo ma akwakofa mfidie bi dia ba se fidie we ye friend code free and code free plus glucometer ye de check pressure no eno no se ni sitie no obia ye kire no tese ni yusu nye den so hu ni yusu enye den oye ya na de check pressure no sugar level ni ade na check ni nyina ma kama enti tem bia unim ba bia wugina so hu enti se wabere wabi na wofia to be command se o maami a to be command se o papa to be command se ya o nana soso a to be command wa umu soso no to be tufie na mrante de maba wa bai what a shock bebrebe no ne pressure kora no bonim o se oni ti ne ye o na tim na wo sen so hu nti ye hwese ye benya bi e wo fie okọ Ade pharmacy ya obenya bi Osons chemist obenya bi ene ne pharmacy obenya bi Sharks pharmacy ene Lancer chemist so no obenya bi e wo ho freyen 0540647867 0540647867 and 0206972963 0206972963 na yedi enkomo OCP Ghana Limited so yedi fertilizers ni gusu a ya yedi somo papa ya kesa no nam he anopei akuafo asori a mokọ afuo mu nyina mo de serie ne ani gye na ekọ ebize unam kwa so a wokọ no okọ ese ne no ba ye ne si aso afa na yesa akokora wa mra ngu abrewa so wa mra ngu ehire se de ya abrewa bedibi akokora bedibi ansana so obekọ awakọ OCP Ghana Limited ye fertilizers no edoso de wudo bia say ye bro say ye nto say ye koko bibia de wudie bia no o de bi pete so a ebo pa yo OCP 15 wo ho yo OCP 10 20 10 wo ho and yo OCP TSP so ewo hono mo a maybe a tonto agrochemicals ne nyina okọ hono mo a osi OCP omo fertilizers no omo nye bi emfama omo be yi di amount so edodo 0555909437 0555909437 and 0555909433 now ni yen edin komo kanjen energetic drinking water nsuo no ene ye nom no nsuo papa a ye nom ene kanjen so te ase nom kanjen nsuo no na ebebo pa weekendi ene ye boys mo amono nom niema ye ya ade chi ye na kese hangover ni ginam na nso mo amutie masam Friday na mo pe kanjen nsuo ni bi nom ye no ohun se hangover no contem say siuda dem a wankwankoche samai bia ne ade bia kanjin energetic drink water no so nche say mo de bia so ohun tete sa debi kanjin say wo de fufu no de banku no de udokno no de wabetie no de udi ehuo no de bibia uwia bo kanjin gu so eboa ma digestion no kra no ekoye kama digest duane no bibia de bia now you fit de bia now you healthy de bia now you strong now koba ni nyina osumasem kanjin energetic drinking water and it is adwuma no ede amount hey brema UGC hey ya ena yewa yedi eye dwuma no bia wo bia so no wo de offer ya bia me wo tech bia me wo santase bia me wo ejoso ebia me wo konongo na nsuo no menya bi wo he na o ma che se wo konongo a ene ye wo distributor so mesi wa ha koho na obenya bi ato from 0241449191 0241449191 and 0507379474 0507379474 nene kanjen eni enkomo na yemwao mame ema bedwafo akwaba na anopei yeni enkomo kakra anopei mpedimfo a eka me ho ami yedi dwuma eye lawyer George Pon ye leading member of MPP eye lawyer Kroda so ye presiding member nana okay lawyer said Debbie kami be busan o said Debbie lawyer George Pon ababe coming sa ewofia ha sa so na miame lecturer Franco Tue Champon a lecturer oye mingan so oye teacher oye lecturer oye bibiabi so who and a member of the Ashanti Regional NDC communication team so a leading member of NDC ochade was Spiritan University mame emam pedinfo yi akwaba anopei na yenin komo pedinfo akwaba
beju so bru
nifie boko
ja boy da adum kaka
ye de radiase lawyer ma chen
beju so minia
nifie boko
nyame adum se ade achen ya enkwa wo ho ide na bibia yara si nso
ende nyame ase
anyama de dana kwam se de abanpanti awo abanpanti say ya ese dokuna ba 1 cedi
dokuna ye de o de bi lo ene o dwom no nko ene ye de no nko
me na metete o mo de dokunu no ese anopa 5 cedis abanku ame
o de bi dokunu ya ye tobi wa kira hai say ma mi 5 cedis enye bad mom de ti agi se bia wo to be o mo ye mba da agi so to be
3 na ne board na eko 5 af no
na say 3
na tikruma na to dokunu say 73 so na ba
say o mo bono 5 7
7
and 10
the eldro no and they say ayefo
Frank abampa
they say ayefo you say enkura so was you know omo teacher training no I say no so be ma one hot meal
da be say
kan no ne so omu didi dodo akufo adom omu didi say omu nsuan de they say be mo one hot meal and no we say ba ku bi share na duane de ama no
we hu ba ku bo social media dura dokunu bi ne eyi bi
munya nko bi moti ahodwo amompe mo say amako ye wa kruma they say ne ma na ba fam ama they say omu dollar na aba 10 no and so ko manga say just say the bo
dollar no guso
abuso manga ma 3 days na say udru wa dey as
tree na o twe ya na say
aba asam na me kan your mama bam pa reset e say journalist for so adwomo o ye adwuma obi anu ni asem e say asotro ni nyina e say jai na bibia danakwam e say galamsey for so ho atom ama e say yan hye obi afidie yan obi ahwe nti bibia aban pa ba ye nyina yewu ti amampa aba no ye nyina ye bedi so mfaso obi na mfaso no so obi ahase edibi obi ye gene de style bia bi ai se na no yeso nua ba ko na wo se magnam for ye bubu dan wo kwa report na nem re report ade esa
oh say ni it's of public concern nti ene ya nsemtweni okwa na enye yesi mum na onu adani kwa kohwe aha
na wo kwa wo nkra unza soja fo beba ho dia eso utimi yesoma soja fo so momra ho na akogina ho se wo ye report dia wo beji kensi o
well say enye nna no sade we BBC
oh na how rampant has it been
unse
mo ye firi bo mu afi we ye we dey see mu a
na mo bu ye tie ye lawyer aya de pa mo ye
papa ba yi ya bo mo present wait me aka
na mo bu ye ti lawyer ya
na papa ba dey ase e babo
eto na try aya dey aye nyina no condemn it on every certain terms
yes
journalists they are the fourth estate and for that matter say oman ni chichire because you choose democracy I think so we need that the fourth estate bibia ni a omlebeto dom na nim ni ehunu say amana mo say no man ye den to say ni chichire oman ni sifa enti no obi biara no a wo interest and I say wo a friend is saying ahofama ma oman ni chichire ne de e wo so wo oman ho asem because we oman papa and I wo oman nim and I the oman no ebeye bia no se fa ho untumi ntena oman mu nkasa de oman hyehyɛ ne nkoso ro mfa ho fa ho ntino the fourth estate no has always been vibrant and yegina no
the fourth estate is no adwuma no mo ye
oh mini asa we are no I say in every human society no there are bound to be ups and downs so I say I will not sit here and then accept and I say approve endorse whatever transpired back then issue no aban oman paniko o tie so no kra condemn on every way platform bi onya e bia say the course na ntwa yie enti no
so mo yes anu ayo mo den
I think so we are investigating
investigation say course
any kra kan ebu obi so investigation baby
Ghana forces crash
forces for no so aye den wo me enti de si na nam so no obi ko ye bia ye hunu
they are investigating
what investigating the obo no anaso omo investigate the enti obo
omo nyema omo investigate there
me set terms of reference omo investigate mo na mo aka say omo investigate me ni etidie na omo investigate enipa obo journalist no anaso omo investigate the enti obo no and omo investigate adekro de bo no emu de ehia
bibia sa na me de mate
we de binim kasa say wo de wo friends
menim for
say obi kura say be okum nipa kura na ye na konya e ma no den approve no so what you say let's give them the benefit of the doubt omo ye the finance no ba ba tudwa ye the tudwa we na say be the odifo no running na di odi bim no so na eja no man ko ne be nti ye hwe ne ye hu ni sa say ye da mo
ojo ma mention se mfemfo de nti a mention se de afiri wo no ye say President John Dramani Mahama afiri o mayemu na okono debate wa akire ni ye MPP say ade a mo de bo mo so bo say adabai de botet ni de boba mami chem eko Vincent Asefua MPP
party position no lawyer sinkodua na bi tuba sesi ade na force
lawyer emra na okujeto yes ade no na nye the position of NDC say NDC the statement by na honestly a member of parliament in this instance you are another member of parliament or MPP ni tafoya and also ma Ghana for hunu say
the mouthpiece of NDC Samuel Jemfi wono na de betu dwa say Akufo Addo ayetenten a wonko plane no mu just okoko han Samuel Jemfi was the mouthpiece of the MPP NDC nyo na ye communication officer
ye baby ehun say na efiri bapa ye okujetu ablaka
but nipa wode tu dwa
ona na ma ye figures cost ni ade
party ni a eno de bia wa hu me tro party ni oka say conversation ni say Ghana for say mo fa me say MPP
mate but MPP for fee say Tafu MPF say ade amode ball na ban na na do danko akufuado enne mo bae a bosumi nsia afekora mai the same thing na ye hu no
enne musa na menu ya wodina so busa de enne me so sa asem na eto dwa no owura akuja to block on account ye musa ono no onyina no so question is Tafu MP
yes
and asem no
but mo party am condemn
but no
so that time I know kuje to yes ade no o party ama me condemn say e bia who compromise the security of the president niema like a year tra so
yeah let's be objective here let's be very objective we have subscribed to democracy and for that matter democracy is very expensive let's not mince words democracy is very expensive and ko yanimu no media do ru akuja to ablock abeka ye no I think say I will not be the mouthpiece of Arua Okujata Blocker. I will not sit here and be the mouthpiece. Only documents and the crano. Only personal investigations or and now who say as at that time, Arua Nana the Danko for His Excellency, the former president, and according to an to no. We must share not the covering now, we must share Sabi. Now, Uchiahonka, the Riba Kubiano, $20,000. So what I say. And for that matter, I don't hear the priorities as at that time. Nanka and no mumunya priority. But to me, about forming the young presidential jet and as at that time, no idea to coin. And today, no, it was extravagant. And I say, a flamboyant lifestyle. And I know the old living. And you don't cut it down. And you know, from a control in whom we must share offer. And see, a busan, a cost busan, and until this to be back power. Now, Mampanino, and also a chassis, so the machine to 2 coin. Idea no by he was very emphatic and categorical. Say, a banis idea or resigning from the position, whatever position be about the man. And then, Ura Okujata Blocker, the foreign minister, foreign affairs minister. And per the occurrences and as per the activities of the president now, no, as it stands now to be far of your machine or my own word in 2 coin. It's been grounded. I think France also. Until a new man we sabi CC
Saniate.
San anti and until who have been here so man so there also 2 coin no good juma I didn't controlling put to a bro mine. And Nina Ibrahim William Shane or the call. They be able to say William Shane or the call Sabian Chiahokana. Na yebetua ho ka no a e sign no man betua na no so amo man ne ka na let's not
Ibrahim Jata jet no de koy and then no de koy
so that's what I'm hearing
okay
the mechanic no credit
okay
say no credit me that is what I'm hearing
okay
so what you say
we picture we Ghana ye presidential jet na ye old one na ye nim no
say e ho abehia so mampani tu kwan kodi dwuma ade nkoso ne mpuntu bebro man no na ni nua nimpon e wo wie mu hye ne bi na so befa e de akodi sa dwuma na bo man na I think it's a step in the right direction enye ade a say be etia mra ana say e boni dia sa so
okay
unless of course the NPP and for that matter Orua Convincent is able to furnish us with the details so no and yeah, if you're saying Odoko and Yenia Ibrahim, dear, and the Okoha, ya maybe a cost or money say, and I even say Ibrahim, dear Grana, or money to Jessica say at the manor, of which I said can give a bit of their corner pair, and I may be bit to maintain a dear, and I'll be my dear boy. So I just say, until that is done, I think so. Mina Kuma friends,
as if
of saying is honorable, has no basis of saying, say, Yanso de Ura Nanado Danko Kufado, His Excellency, former president here, and Lubina Yanso Yede, repeating. The situations are different, the circumstances are different.
Okay.
And for that matter, I was saying, for once, I think our mind with politics, we have to be very objective. Some of my person, now, partisan politics, a friend is saying,
as a change me MPP I didn't know say
the Mudia Yano, yes, be by I don't say, yes, it's true, man, is I your money bit to Tumpong. What I say, and don't you know, remember, dear, said you might dear man, Panica Codini idea, for mine, Punto in Cancon. And I say, ni nua will be not so the be kwa ba I think can say and say unless of course we are able to establish corner or corner cost na e de be bra o man we no ebia yakobo ye de no ho bra ke betumi aba abegina na
amanfo allegedly o mo kire say eyesa we na ode koy
of which enye ni nuane de na if that is the case
yes
so what I assume if I'm using my words
yes
if say enye ni nuane de no na okohan another private jet no so cost o man no helping some of maybe $20,000 an hour there then of course we stand to be criticized because me the yes am here party ni into no money be ho ye na say ntwa here me kan me gina na maka say na tie dia but me from my intel no kire me say e ni nua
Ibrahim dia no the koy
MPP for they are good at fabricating stories but me they only two so there's no information telling us say no a bit my baso be private jet to be a see baby no makotwa no mo dia beto friend say from so they say nti ya mo me nyina no for once ye nyina no let's be patriotic enough ni enhwe ni enchechire o man because they just say the man dey cause see na emwa see be this partisan approach of everything e be see o man we mu bia na I can see emphatically say nya dey be bo o man enchechire na nkanko
ebi feel say politics ayaya over the years na aka ho bi kura na omane boa mamo sa accident because say politics say
if we had fought this Galamsey minister head on na nka medun pempen
ebi so feel at that time President Kufuor time or year proposal say yem procure new helicopters yem procure new enema Ghana Air Force ne ade a the then opposition jina ya say yempene na do danko Akufo at the time so proposal ne by say infidie na ya soldier for ndi ye adwuma na Air Force ne ade no enye ebi ye tete ene ye politics ye ntimanya helicopter iko free to ya omuko wuye yo
un say in my submission I made mention of the fact that let's not be partisan about some of these pertinent important issues so what I say our democracy is growing. We shouldn't be partisan about some of this. Senka, if we had procured those aircraft to say they work here, get be anano, can you know be a sabri. So what I say, it's young now, we find young for. You find addition there. Say, you're quite animal. I don't maybe what you had a marina. You have to aircraft and say procure ya, and can you be MP for Kwana? You see, Senka be doing your breast, and can you see be you so. But I think say it took a political tone. No maybe we're a bit partisan. So what I say, and a young koto, and then you know. Sabi Ediaba and into no yako anim no say sabi otwea na ensesa na adwen ana meboa
no cre
mummy ensesa ya adwen na yako anim ye nyina yenka yehumo mama ne yenya idea wo ye nchechire fa nkokire obi a ye chechire ne otenam enu ntini ye na ye ni ye a yenya na sabi benefit ntimi na makasa we dem so lawyer sam no makani nyina wi
a convince center say for say this jet it will cost or say 1 hour be it will cost us about $15,000 1 hour BI to cost allegedly the all can know say it will cost us an hour BI $15,000 now we are calculation say oko president eko Singapore no oko Japan so even to Singapore nko akra no about 7 hours no cost us about $105,000 then no atwaso ako Japan which is 12 hours and it also cost us about $180,000
I said my medical condemn na open so mami mu onu kra so condemn
yes open so kra de na no atum say yen fa politics ne ntoncha ne yen procure new
minjidi say bo a obubo so nyina no I think it should be relegated to the periphery of the argument who said anya dey
Matthias
because enka
lawyer say ne otu aka ni nyina wie di
Matthias because you if we are to go deep if we are to
they are two Wednesday bi wo e wo adase akrofo mi lawyer ye nyina ye botoy me kai said that time na me o man hene wo ba bia ye tie na me hey Jesus gonna ye hu bi da
lawyer
ye nyina ye botoy
so if we are to interrogate figures here with the amaya vis-a-vis the Oluwakujato Black Council to then now we will not make any headway because when you can wait now we to cut a long story short and let's be patriotic enough and then do away with some of these things. You hear the priorities of this country. And you might back Boamah we.
Okay.
And this hypocrisy on.
Okay. Lawyer say we dey otu aka ni nyina yi. Na fe yenko Galamsey no say let's fight Galamsey to honor Omane Boamah.
Asem o kan ye o kan dey nyina ni wie. Na wasem o kan ye wote ase.
So say Omane nchichiri yeti. Enye hwe ye van tonje na.
Say o kan sa asem na. O ho kwan say o be kan sa. Na emum there should be first and first. Say nya na anu asem no. Kasem bia no. Kasem bia.
Ene enokre. Kasem bia ni fi.
President Kofo Rollins etiso no one high private jet and two kind.
Yeah.
President Kofo Anfa Bianco.
Yes.
His Excellency late Mills.
Yes.
Why has this become a topical issue? This is the hypocrisy we are talking about. Nyatrom, I went this for moon, and only the king. Since when no moon is adewe?
And no one who said,
since when no moon,
and no one who said, I'm
no moon, dear no my found.
No, you can say,
dear no my found. NDC as a political party has the penchant, the say, or mobile BBI, on the politics, BBI, on the control. Yet, the Roman NDC for the BBI politics, then another, the health air politics. To extend that also on the Kune. Oh, right. That is how extreme NDC can be. And then, His Excellency John Akufo-Addo, I can say, dear Bruno, we need presidential jet a better fit for purpose.
Yeah.
Now you hear you are truly military.
Yes.
No munya quality. What do you propose and do parliament? What do you born support dinner tem can someone any say nipa can chire nipa nyina NDC for kroya na the area who woman say broja jamfi o ka say the plane is fit for purpose ono akroya in about 2 weeks ago ne interview ni said the plane is not fit for purpose. Where from the north now? The political talk.
Say be a oko defense ministry ho no ko.
Enti de no
and oko at first hand.
Enti de no ho na adwene ni trip. You say enka obai okuje to abrakwa. Me political lines ene ne name awoye no. Tayama or the BBI politics, he is bitter over everything except himself. When it comes to himself, and they are okay. But to anybody, he sat on national television and told us, presidential jet, or 3 engines. And this about 4 the 2 of them can fly. And you BBI. To extend that, say, or no one nese. Omumu penny bi kokofa presidential this jet CB ready to pay over resign. Now I just go reach out about the day and buy.
Yeah, a chartered flight.
And you're the boss direct.
Yeah.
I don't know resign.
Foreign Affairs Minister so now here this arrangement in
and ne Japan the year omu kwe akwa Singapore. Who made the arrangement?
In the ministry, Foreign Affairs Ministry.
So what is he saying? What has he said? If you have any principle, say politics now say the first thing you do is to tell Ghanaians that you see President Kofo. That is why he's exalted above all politicians. President Kofo by and was no, me teacher me criticize Rollins. I want appointment on buy and me who say Senate Ghana for on fan chemi. A fair me who the womb and we me then you have the audacity, you have the moral justification to go ahead and do what you criticized. Sorry, I'm not panel when you say what you all justify say we dear you know me resign it will cost the nation. Who told you Okuja to resign because the nation is there? You people told said Nana do plane 2 and crash it. Now who are BBI we will lose nothing. What have we not heard in this country? And then Mudi Nyachumokako for private jets, Eddie 2 coin which will cost the nation not less than $1 million. Eddie 2 coin the aquaba. Abra witimwa, why you 3 motion ya witimwa okwaba. I'm telling you, you think that when you go to Japan, come to Singapore, then the parking, the taxes, put everything together. Yes. Check. $100,000 every hand 7 hours journey no cry. Transit to Japan, to Singapore, and they put all of them together. And now when we say the trip now walk on round trip no, and round trip no how many hours?
We are not sure.
So that we are very sure and certain. Say he went with this MBEP jet. What they call?
I'm told it's MBAEP private jets.
Yes.
I didn't hear.
And you can go.
We can.
Then alleged son of
President Ekono. What the Emirates na koi.
Also, the new jet. What we do now?
Masa. Munya ni ni asem no. Na nyo no kwa na abedi ade ani ni ewo private jet.
But the problem so say that jet no is for such a long
trip. Private jet etimi akọ Japan asaba is it not even risky? Now some way say we are talking about the president's safety. Should not be compromised under any circumstance. The president, the cost to this nation, to plane 20.
It's true.
The
point
we are making is they should come clean. Meaning an idea we had the bomb was aboard. You know the car say Galamsey, a chrome one no MPP for na Galamsey. You say you 2 MPP are buying free also no. Galamsey na guana. Say Galamsey ngu ya him for na Galamsey ne.
I didn't imagine I condemn saying.
So what we are saying is that Muntimi approbate na mun reprobate at the same time. When it sees you there, will be incorporated. There were call from civil societies and all that, say all political parties, all past governments and all that, you can come together to fight Galamsey. What did your spokesperson say? Sami Janfi can say, see, they have no business in doing anything with the government. Say, abandoning Timinya, you should walk out then, and then they are called away. You have hypocrites like Jampo and the rest. And this is where this problem, the problem of this country, is these people.
Lands Ministry hint say LI 2462 no. Omo ebe scrappy enemenemu ya. And the likes of Kwesi Pratt also so calling on government, you know, say we should end Galamsey to honor Ade Boamah.
We should all die. The cost of Galamsey to the nation now. And can you be any per one a day baby and now? Can you honor the living?
That's it.
Can you honor the living?
That's it.
Our very existence of this country, in the country as Ghanaians, is under threat. And you know my position in this Galamsey madness. Say if anybody is met at the river body, I will say zoo, or say forest, or say a year, all those areas, a year market red zone. The person is an enemy to the state. Should be treated as such.
Again, the Yunkunana.
And no, my position is if
shoot and kill.
How the enemy of the state is treated is how those people destroying the water body should be treated.
My tier security expert, baby, Mufi say more politicians, no more Mama Galamsey fight na day. Sen kamotana nchen ye de ma amine say Ghana Armed Forces go after these people. They are enemies to the state. Osinka any 3 months.
3 months.
Enka military. Every juma we am a simple crowd, but because of politicians, we are involved in.
And I'm saying that because politicians very involved because of the political nature in the politics here. Nana Akufo-Addo attempted fighting this head on and said, "Say, maybe the political career."
Yeah, then Akonya presidency
From 2016 to 2020 elections, Akufo-Addo paid the highest price of it. All the Galamsey areas in Yeluzu city or Yeluzu, even the proper votes are Yeluzu. Then His Excellency, the then candidate John Mahama said that amnesty. Is that not the case? So you embody the people and tell them that maybe they are was it not the conversation? So what is the expectation? Some people tata how many more money there. Now by say me why I talk how much more our thing. enti ene me ba me ma mo aye dia ye nkoto aba ne mani boom no ye womra no ma ye na wato ama wa wi a social contract me to aba ma menye me Galamsey nene no ba be ka kire ye se sa Galamsey fo no omo why na embodu omo ye adwuma no. It is you who have emboldened them to do the Galamsey. It is a yamfa anya politics. And as a then opposition ka say me ba said the way walk Galamsey fight no. It is not the proper way. Proper way they say me ba me all political interference e free. So therefore me ma 3 months mo ntimi and there commander na me do wato ano no you will be fired. Nanke hu so one proper alternative. But you stood as over more my. Then know about what has changed. That more money. It is our double money boy man free one. And kai Galamsey no obi akaten and he say eni ekrum hana. But this Galamsey, our very survival as a nation no, is under attack. Any part of was saying Galamsey as so mining general suffer for it. And the consequences thereof. It may be position has been clear from MPP time to whatever time, KYC time. Anybody found on the water body, in the forest reserve, anywhere threatening the security and the life of the state, you know, the person is an enemy to the state, must be treated as an enemy.
Right. Lawyer Kabina, my mentor, my fabric job, me know you know idea. There's a I think a school of thought in sociology, a friend functionalist perspective. So okay, yes, we dealt with that.
Yes.
What does it say? It said any activity within the society that one meets certain true conditions, you know, it's very difficult to do away with such an activity. One, if that activity serves as a source of livelihood to a section of the people. Two, if that activity has endured over time, it becomes very difficult to remove or do away with that activity. And I'm very, very sure, so you will bear with me, said Galamsey or illegal mining activities falls within this friend is saying perspective. Sure, Nipadodwa, Galamsey, and for that matter, illegal mining activities, serve as a source of their livelihood. It runs into millions. Two,
a whole community, Manso Bonte, Sone. Anti-Galamsey tax force for the boom last week.
As a result of this,
it is their source of livelihood.
Illegal mining activity has endured over time. It's been with that sense. Time Anglo gold for some now what illegal mining activities here. So how do we deal with this menace? Share Omampani John Domini Mahama, Excellency Car Assembly, or see. One more yet, one more surface, you know, one more year mining and Casanadi. They are not the real problem. The campaigns, one more secretary, the editor, excavators, chamfines, a cramel queen cyanide, by the cells as an inquiry. Woman else, you trace woman yet, woman you deal with them. And to me, lawyer Casa was say, Attorney General Chiremu,
Wow, Attorney General
Attorney
General, what's a more bruni? Yamini,
I say Attorney General now, so such a mount to Mrs. Sweet.
No, okay.
That's how okay. Matilda to Asumame.
Yeah, come where I ask me, Moby. I confirm we are.
Radia Mate.
Mate. Intimate also no. Don't the money my catcher say. And yet the people now occupying 1,000, 2,000 visible, they are trying to bush and in the man, and the real problems, you know. The real corporates in the almost capital excavators, fines, a talk concession, yes, what you want. And to almost a baby deal with them. And thank God, obey and among better word to or say, ye baby corporate responsible community work. Mining. And no, we will involve the community and the people who are interested in the mining activities. You know, ye baby. Ma woman titia omubetum dey responsible mining
community mining dey say na wo hold it down
responsible corporate community mining
ebi na mo tutu to wa
lawyer ebi omo dey any wo different format
lawyer ma mintrem
na soja for mra dey
lawyer otu ochire mai
lawyer tie
chire mu mai
thanks to Ora John Domani Maham and Ora Sami Jamfi. The introduction of Gold Board. Say, or more one, excavators and Ankasa Yedi Jumano. A buying never procure those excavators. 2 drivers are mobile use to excavators and abandon the bit training woman. 3 you better use what is known as geofencing technology. And no nchemuni you better use tracking devices. Excavators na ban their man no what about driver no yes and be use tracking device they share excavators in 2 you register all these excavators concession now also a way adwuma no we are coming to take the coordinates near the coordinates near the econcran and until wo concession so we adwuma tracking device we excavator nim what try concession a different department so we call concession so na acquire we will not it will notify us and our machine crab dey I best stop here adwuma bi
okay
we machine na adwuma bi
okay
then oya mpanimfo wo akra na yehunu say no yako anim no yemfa nsu enhoro gold ni bi yem process gold there's a new technology aba ye be process gold no yemfa nsu nti no emwa ema sabi yensu no nsu no yeden ensay
okay
so what you say so this is what we are bringing on board and not in the interim media our advocate said the lawyer can yem put on hold every illegal mining activity yem obi anyai then you roll out this program na ma church mu sesi ano what we are interested in doing mining biano you can we give you the excavators
okay we
give you the concession
okay
we give you the drivers we coordinate concession we take the coordinates and then send them to Accra
okay
what we want to know it's being monitored
so it will be monitored from Accra.
That's
how
it.
about districts and regions they are much more closer than the people in Accra. I don't know, my regions and districts, do the monitoring. Maybe Accra also supervise from Accra.
Yeah, technologically monitoring America.
Okay.
Excavator now did you man? What trial concession no consume?
Okay.
So
automatically to stop. Okay.
So there's any making provision for maybe a process gold now. Influence one day. And to someone out anywhere you go there and then it is being processed. Now when you go no.
Okay.
I think this is more laudable. You two na mo ya about Boamah say kwaya ni insurance one I say no day but in the interim young rolling out such a program no young put you on hold because of whatever is going on young put you on hold so political parties are involved say him for you involved say soldier for you involved say young put you on hold because the extent of damage na e cause too alarming. What I say, the extent of damage na e cause what these mining communities are too alarming. Aside the fact say nipa bi me ba wo ma no omanya deformity go hana inside ni what really what and near there no they are also poisoning our foodstuffs
your body any a bunch ye nyina near there.
Then again our major exports cocoa no is being destroyed
omu wie no kra
cocoa Galamsey so considering all these factors and now dangers I will say you put on hold every illegal mining activity.
Okay.
Now you roll out this program no.
Okay.
Corporate community responsible mining no. Yeah famra. Na yen hwe hunu say nhihye bi ejegu akwamu bia no. Ye be eno na obampani ne ekwako launching wo oboase a sabi
fofi anto ata hosemi baye
oyenu kese e de baye enti lawyer mu iboye bi others say mokun bi but we pay Owura Charles Frimpong Boating also.
Yeah, Professor Frimpong Boating.
Yes. And more 2 years send go best stop this Galamsey minister. At the end of the day, I didn't go see a whole hooping 400 excavators 825 women young will be a fire. Eko we train mo ko
sabre no kai sabre ne de no na nu ya 37 no de wan kai
so won wan kai me
and wan kai
me
no de see fan sa na nu ya na otwe ni ya 37
yo
ana bisu so oduru ho we tu afa we tu wo so we mu anu ya fa so we mu ya fa
so what I say
adebra excavator ekutambo ekuramo
400 excavators ni nyina irai eko we akire no mo amukra bo papa yesu bo sa na ne mba bi kra so ye dey e digala yi bi adi nyina sa ko no wie peye enti na ne no Owura John Domani Mahama ba say yes baby a ade na duru no was say he radical action said e be ya e betumi say no I think so we have to bear with him what I say ye ne nya adwene na ye nyina ye man the leader support because account to asabe na account friend account na account and na dey bia wuti krom adwene to bottled water what I say but can who say sabi nnuane na e different krom keto mu ba no enum sansase na so mi bia sa nnuane enu nti wo di bi no indirectly wo di poison ni bi wo so betumi nya different say effects ni bi nti angina no ya mo ye ho so na ade no akoy o mining na akon collective responsibility ni na no a friend say wo say ye na ye deal away with the government
say abrem fu ado ko kan ke say Galamsey ni Ghana ha
da bi o
so mu ni say ya
but lawyer say baby ya ba be duro no ye nyina ekuye back gradually ekuye back gradually yes nanado danko akufo ado time no omo anyina machi ye ma bia nkoye but baby ya duro die all hands on deck ma wo say
sabre no nen say obi ahun
nen say ye nyina ba ye hu say no
se wo hunu ade bi a wo bo nipa no so bo na sende wo hu se ade no nya ne mfom so a what do you do
obia o de ne bo man
not necessarily even apology
o de ne bo man yes
and tell the people say kwan we ya na NPP for nam so ye hu ne sa say na ye kwan papa responsible mining enti ye criticize o mo justly abusuafo we de mo ma ye nyina mom sa kwan ne fa so ye de foforo so kra e ka ho ne ye nyina ya ko na Galamsey na we ne kan de
se wo de aduane ko no ni nyina ye didie but de didie de bi de e fa chen bi ana me bo
ne no kra
wo de ado wo say community mining me so de community mining but wo de nchire mu no ay different from me de
nchire mu asem no mu hia ye
e hia pa
me de me hia ne se Ghana Galamsey ni
there's another school of thought so mo ka say yes Galamsey ni yesi ye tu ase de ndie but God na se form no ye hwe ma ne nse de ya betu
they can me I'm not against say obi go to gold
it is a nipa no say one onye no nsuo ho onye no forest reserve no ye na ade a ene mini nipa ne ya
nsuo na wo say no a nsuo no ene bremu asai ofri asai ankobra asai pra asai sui asai
ni nyina
asai no ye betra he that is my problem
nsuo ni ye no mo
o ye Galamsey wo nsuo so no oku ye nyina enti wono no sa nipa no wo ye enemy of the whole state so the state should treat him as an enemy eno ne me position say enkwaye na ye nananom de ato wo say no ye nwuram a obi enkomu no eno wa nkomu a me fa no be
ene li
o wona sa
2462 years so
o wona sa nese wo se na sa na gudie wom na wakwaje ho permit se waje ye wanyi wo eno kra me hwe ho no so otu no gold no otu no gold no wanya ne sika eno de obi ne no wasembe na mom enkotena nsuo so mfa champagne ensi nsuo so na police wo ba no wadwane de enti na wodwane
so we ye papa
wonim se de wo ye ne nye and that is the problem
no cre
enti nsuo no ne me ne obi a wo problem ho nsuo ne kwaye de me ne obi a wo problem na mom wo wasase ne se wo se wo tu dia Galamsey a eno de wetin dey concern me
lawyer o party MPP a grant amnesty to omo a mo suspend omo you omo free party man opay ne Mr. Amo Love Enterprise edi nkomo movement for change omo nkomo nyina ne say ta we die baby omo koyo no maso mju omo nye ready so omo saba back
in the first place even those suspension was needless nenyansa bia ni
na no hini nto
it was needless
me kai mo of Kofi Senya former MP for Medina Meboa
what sense did it make
Abubakar Sadiq said
na say bi say omo no nya adwene
Yaw Boamah Samoa omo nyina hopes na doye
the party position
no hopes mo de no bone ache no
me dey me say nyame na me suspended no na me de no bone
party we a leading member of the party
what I'm saying is that even in the first place was needless because party at the dom na chechire na abrebi a wodom even wo ma for kra wo ye den obenya stop one cat ba ko
ne
say the tbia and human institution bia you manage it it is a who say na ekono if you cannot manage to bring them on board you stay quiet at the end of the day say any panel antwere appointment letter ama application say from MPP one actual application but political party be anywhere it is an ideology say me pay ideals now then I join them to say o kase wa yinadi and I was suspended no for some misunderstanding and I be ho you are going extreme at the end of the day say be any panel conduct to be na bring it disrepute to the party actually be so also oba be position be leaving position be or party during vetting that's what you use against the person and that's my position.
Okay, so usune oban way
we are here said there party no bringing the party to disrepute so our position we do the party in fata then you use that against the person during the internal vetting
nobody are disqualified.
I said also actually letter man is where you know then you are saying say ya more amnesty. Yes, amnesty in there.
Na muko na so chere say
enipa anya say nyam
oniema obeye
anya obi a okọ
ni kwan say party
obi okọ abonti. Oh, that is true.
E bia ya ma warning ya ba okoko ye fro ye ne o kasaba still dia wo ya na wo ya
talking about management. E ba ne sa ya onipa bebre ho a party mu ya suspend him but omo sugbon eni omo ne ye bi obi o tia abonti bi a reasonable person bi bystander bi anim so on ka party ne ho bi o. Any objective person will know say nipa we party no nka ho bi be it NPP and this whatever it is
what transits no
ebi mo obi ehun say won ka ho bi so say nipa no e claim so NPP ni a who doesn't know say nipa no ene party no ni mu bi enti na wa manage the situation no opekura betimi aye disclaimer say nipa no on kasa ma party ni bi enti asem bi obeka bi anya party ni dey you issue disclaimer but to extend that also where you on there and of course nipa no kasa say baby okọ na asum you know no or movement for change na when I got you say obi ofure MPP bia na movement for change and why does he purport to represent obi a Yaman amnesty be as a movement.
Mr. Amo Love Enterprise, no a police station chairman.
What I'm saying is, or no bet me a case baby or one assume John.
What contest this swami?
It doesn't matter. He can say, baby, I'm a coin and assume now, if you are saying, say,
or some letter now, but that's what the Hashem say, more grant to amnesty now, they should write to indicate to say. What we are saying, what's a catching one troll letter, Mradia?
What we are saying is, oh, party moi may I don't subscribe this suspension thing but who could be so aka hu say mra wuku
no correct
enti ko ni so ntimi nya anto the tra say the first time no mo nya adwen of the suspension hu say extreme no doesn't mean say e ko ni so ni mra bi a wo no wo betimi aye de ope bi na party ni say am amnesty afi de utimi ba na wo ba twere krata mi hu say ampa no when you want to obedient ko ni bi mu asaba eno so so ati ko apai na la ku no eye nipa ba ko na ete ena the yes or tia se ne se nya first time a obi be free ku mu akoni o e free tete mbre so rolling time gusitano no free mu o mu free mu no o mu party no emu o mu ko o mu sa ba ya maami ajima kwa dunum kote omo de omo firi mu na ndc angu npp mu ayi papa ya no radio money
Rekubrobe
Dr. Charles Rekubrobe and the lies omo firi mu no sa angu enti tiasia say party no tradition will forever be there because it is the tradition that we follow enti se uni ano ntawanta obi buy and as a party ni take decision be na anko yi na party no I reverse the decision and now telling you say ubetimi aba na enyina aye adwuma bomu you don't take an entrenched position as if say you are ridiculing the party well if you say party no any hu bi mother who will force you
almost say party no munya kono bi
free mono oh yes because it doesn't have power our power and can be na kono who should work to bring the party to power for you to enjoy enti say if you say nya kono omo a party ni nya akono they will sustain the party bring it to power na mana ya akono sa bre no so obeba ya beje na wa wetu
mo ba power ne se omo ka so mo ba
na samafo kra so omo pedodo na ti asfo
mo bre di o ma aba
matter o de na yede
okay
ya be bre di aba okay ya bre ne de ba wi a na ya akono no o de on for application em na ya beje still
wow
ketipa ya nka me mfa ho na so o de o so me ka bi because o try na say ye de me yanko ne eneme ebit ma to ye de eneme I think say
some so njera mboko presidential ine
ini ade so I think
it's some bebre
e do so acha se I think say on the whole no de me work can say papa no nko my money dey nka sem because I said no nko na was stand no there are several of them omo was such friends say pain no and now say omo opposition no say omo rejoin MPP amanyoko because the structures na was na wo ho na MPP mu akono no obi feel proud say or den Humber John in this MPP amanyoko any hobium and certain personalities been so or any or more transfers or some can be no sabi a gun crofo binum hufin and identity or image and reputation until no nadia bet me asamba bi I think say ya ku enu lo ade kakra me sabi ma adwan met ma kire kakra ne say no ma bi o ha isisi ya sabi antwa yi so crofo bi diabolically a lot of machinations said they be crofobia sinchen among crophobia bedinim and at the end of the day what happened nipa na mo de no buy na sabi antwa yi so and still crofo so that was our party ma omo yes agenda no se kwam bia no omo be fa so omo decide depa be di omo nim akoko no omo be fa so enti I think so mu hian sakrai kakra wo party no mu hian sakrai because we hear the political dynamics of this country now. My main country on me very categorical and then emphatic. Share Ura John Domain Mahama, His Excellency, Ofri Atifi Mantem, yes, Ofri North. Yeah. And MPP for I imagine in Penny Bimu, I take it at the entrenched position is a chinchana or more de Ura Baomiana Bede, Abeba. Until will Ghanaians accept to say. Ura John Domain Mahama said before Tiffy Mantem and Abba. MPP for also, but in case it's a MPP shall we near a Tiffy Mantem Nina as I video marriage. We think say it would, sound very well and I say to fare very well with Ghanaians. Let's be very, very analytical and then critical about this issue. Ura John Domain Mahama, every North, or a president who travel 4 years. Says, said I'm a crown and Yamin Fasama and Kui. Nasa say Sako to Obama MPP. Yes, Uncle Fat Sabi, a Tiffy Mantem ni and it's ambiguous minus. Now, quite film watching Sabi, a good These are the issues I think Union MPP4 should think about. Okay. The political dynamics, the voting dynamics of this country and supporters this friend is hypothesis now more person more so I just say and into say if indeed they want these people back for good now we are structures in be almost some structures in be no more resolutions in be almost certain year
but among for so say Kufo comes from the central the middle male so within the middle or come on by
this perception about the northern side say it will be free enough we don't actually do the segregation we free Bamboy we free Tamale we are not on the way not
yes
so I say that is the perception I and you know Union MPP for no more say a friend say and money our mutu no because e be say na my mom I be fala my o be fala
am NDC
fala
NDC the one eba
I did the
Professor Jenano Bongwachimana
what does it mean to me
what the prof bedi President Mahama there
side no be so on the side say young ko ben
who say dun keti anase wo Julius Debra and our prof James
honorable Julius Debra the chief of staff of the republic na mentia honorable say dun keti anso
Ejiano grey wiase okay. The chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana. The chairman general of the party.
Oh no, Baba 2 years now with the agro Oba Fia. Nada. And then Midimu and Azim the APC. You're kind of person. And
no, and it's you're kind of person, and would you are charging us? What are you charging us?
Just as a young DC for in person, we also need a formidable opposition.
Yes.
So what you say? Obama constructive criticism. Yes. And more would say, Obama good alternative for the say about man because at the end of the day yen na objective say man no e betu mpo be di na obi otimu bi anso mato no so they say nti no yen hwe say party no eko the chi no there be that omo nhye ne omaye na omo nso nye very formidable say the be ya yen
man assure me and say more party there will be a lot of machinations that they all can but machinations ni nyina ba be grassroots. Yes. And the true grassroots also, Honorable Kennedy Japan is the master of the grassroots. On ever win.
Also, where you were him. I don't know Julius now working.
Me working.
Wow. Wow. It's what connected on?
Oh, we are connected.
We are connected. That's right.
Highly.
That's right.
And said the TBA machinations be able to be that's well and good. Okay. Party as an intender and appointing talk on your pejano sra and said the TBA a grassroots one be decided.
That's right.
And the grassroots who decide the master of grassroots no. They were party ni free to bremu that time no one can so up president Eddie nani GD say so o party meyi na party ni ya akona e ba attract obi o tenchan am na ye de
abem it's true
say nipa na what that vision na wakwa grassroots no e bra so say grassroots no so e di ne be di animu na de wo kwama ye no wetimi abekwa ama ya am na abem and it's as simple as that. And when you go for only political engagement with I've been to such Afran Plains many constituency executives in Asia many coordinators in Asia, such as Afran Plains, Kumewu, Mako, Drabing, Joso, Maba, we Drobons. No, baby, na Udru Bonfa dancing or Konya da o asiwa ho
yi bosome frɛ ho
Mako Asante Achem Central North and I've been there and I know how the people are talking. Speaking now, this year, my back agree east, because such a south, because such a east.
And the constituencies in connected.
It's connected.
That's right.
Udru from one more. The almost kind of say, you see, say you be uswa. You be show man. It is all corners. You free champagne. You free as you can crave. Don't expect to say. You best I repeat. Corner space will be the one that you can work. It is if you watch now, what now? Party no some year near. That's a well who anymore. And your wife say the same status quo maintain your winning. And it is a matter of fact that every grassroots person is aware. And so I'm catching as a Macunin and Petumere. It will be the very first one. No one will be the very first one. No one has said this account way anymore. It will be called they are never sound. It will be no great. And you were say status quo nearby. Almost dear new free. 19 ko yo ho na
omo na ye ministers no omo na ye deputy ministers no omo na ye DCs ni ade
when it comes to connected obehu George Oponom grassroots for no police station for and coordinators police station for na ye adwuma and when the positions are coming police station for no
moi you abre no die
can say wo hwe constituency executives here normal to me show almost police station
yeah
I saw for na abehwe omo
it's true
party ni be yakono ye the san kan ye
it's true
and na apart ye man nipa 2 million ankoto aba na ye
edidi jani munane kom
edi say yes yes anfa status ko na ma na je say wo nu nipa na wo di 2 million koma e say no gina he tie na wo mo no enyina say de aduro ni de obi a say de aduro na connected
ti mo nyina ma
wo de obehu resource
ma connected
say resource ne be
that's right
say kwa bridge east in 42% and now during the time when
first one no
oh 42%
Kennedy Japan 42% of kwa bridge wow
and now no 42 no say see no ye de about 20% ka ho 30% ka ho amana move
70
o de better say more kwa bre better resource so the work will be done and I work no so no kra ni say say no cry wa fa say ma wo kan no cry it resonates with the people and the message we are
giving
to
the
people omuti ase simple enti ntina ho mo obi ni ne jollof nwi no mfa ne sa ma efa wa no say e be ba no na wa no afotwon ye say nu ana wo ka say oni obi akra nyi ni nti say wo tena mu mfie nwotwe na wo ahu animu a there is time for you to change and see forward
ate ojo ye dey sorry so there Julius Debra so must start off
from empanimfo say ye kwa kope abeno de na oso so na de ye kwa kofa abena ba no na oso aketechua no sa abene be ye nsa o kan bi hwe
no kre
owura Julius Debra
ne wa poto so ntiri
from Debida do you won so no on fa ne nsa pepa ntoma go
Debi o kan hwe
eno nti sa konya ne beda ho na se ye pe obi ma na department na ni ma mi de e ka me nko de a ye fa owura Julius Debra akonya ne beda ho a me de sana me kan
se kwan ne demu a say his excellency John Dramani ma wie
na se kwan
na mu po bia ma na dina de a
me de me ka se owura Julius Debra because
how much in the we bi pa
wasum owura Rollins
wow
wasum owura Mills
Julius Debra sum Rollins wasum Mills
wasum owura
Mahama
anu ntinu se
Mahama 1 ese sum Mahama 2
dia Zakonya ne beda ho dia.
Almost awesome ni nyina nso. Na ba ku bi nso ye secretary sa ye chairman. At the time no na party.
O ka wo de banka bi o.
David o to ma mi te o.
Anu ntino so Zakonya ne beda ho. Se se ne nya nu idie.
Ba ndisi agro we be de o.
Papa. Emu be de. Ba dia babia ade ne da no.
Na Eric Opoku ne. How na this one beba?
Be hwa ade for. Om de so kan ho ba.
Sir.
But the main contest na between Owura Julius ne.
And ya say the dial has been cast. I say omumienu na nkomo ni nyina. Ba mate say Haruna so compromise because he comes from the same region, almost like the same region with President Mahama. But they say what choose to say any so we are running mate in the Obejina there. Baby a beto biano or je running mate. But normally NDC munta nyesa there and say yafa obi afri north and I obi afri south into chenchen check obi afri north so we cry here was south and no north south but the hu
Ram also so there na central and then vice no see north dynamics in there
but say yenya rolling south any yenya mills any yenya ka enti and this there normally when said anya no chenchen
democracy na yenya hunu so ye but na obia interest no obia ye politics na open interest na there ukofa central back no ukofa friend say yeah be
back kwa
you should always balance the game from the north vice president of free offer then this vice should come from the south
okay
so they said be balance obia so say oh no munna ko mo pay say ntino Owura Julius Debra honorable yes so no
mate medasi anopay medasi mpenimfo enti mote lawyer George Oponka or a leading member of MPP mote denka anopay and Franco Tue Champon so a leading member of NDC and also a lecturer at Spiritan University mote denka anope yedomase nyakopon yadomechna yebesa so nemo ehyebi nemom ma menye birthday see quickly na men sorry mas positive nensum happy birthday to my best friend Mary Akabote of Sunyai of Sunyai from Abna and a happy birthday to Linda Sewapoku aka Adjuade Logout of IBMNJ from your classmate. Happiest birthday to Abigail Amponsa of Nyinehine from Kakape Agudie Broni and Onamfunum Yinom mo happy birthday. Happy birthday to Matthias Akono, personal assistant to Honorable Kechre from Honorable Kechre Ousu, assembly member Anyefutu electoral area. Yo. Happy birthday to Grace Kunedu from Honorable Francis Kunedu of Kona. Happy birthday to Berma Echampon Sapon, the second Asante Asamai Hene from Asante Yabua Benedict. Ye Bema unkwaso onana no wofia hanyina yɛma happy birthday kwansrom koso nkwatenten a ahoɔden wom ɔdomfo no ɛmfa nka ho amen. Happy birthday to Emilia Yeboah aka Ade Pena from Akosia Depa. Happy birthday to Abiam Modesta, Deputy Director of Human Resource, Ghana Health Service, Ashanti Region. You, any Abiam Modesta, happy birthday. What's it? Yeah, sorry, so sports team ni some